in Navadvip to distribute the process of chanting of the holy name. Not only the human beings, but also animals, birds, everybody danced in ecstasy whenever they saw him chanting. Once again, when Mahaprabhu was traveling to Jharkhand forest, all the forest animals and birds danced along with him.
डोले डोले गोराचा हरे गोणगा डोले डोले गोराचा हरे गोणगा
One day, when Lord Chaitanya was near the Alakananda Ganges, which runs between Jalangi River and River Bhagirathi, which flows near the Harihara Kshetra, he saw a parrot. It's a very unique deity in Harihara Kshetra, which is half Vishnu and half Shiva. We now have the scene between Mahaprabhu and the parrot.
See this beautiful forest. It resembles the forest of Vrindavan. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol! This parrot is not different from the Sukadev Goswami, who spoke the entire Srimad Bhagavatam. Oh parrot, can you speak the glories of Radha and Krishna?
Gaura, 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 Gaura.
Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu. I want you to speak the glories of Radha and Krishna. And you are saying Gaura, Gaura. Please say Radha Krishna.
Gaura, Gaura, Gaura.
No, no, no. What is wrong with you? This place is not different from Vrindavan. So you must chant Radha and Krishna.
The parrot was a spiritual parrot, so he could speak.
You see, Radha and Krishna are combined together in the form of Gaura. So I will chant Gaura, Gaura. You can chant whatever you want to. But for me, Radha and Krishna are Gauranga. Therefore, I will chant Gaura, 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 Gaura.
Thus the parrot wanted to understand the actual position of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combination of Radha and Krishna special world to give us his mercy, the mercy of Krishna consciousness.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna hi Anya. Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari. Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari. Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari. Gaura, Gaura, Gaura Hari. Jai Sachinandana Gaura Hari. Jai Sachinandana Gaura
We have as Mahaprabhu Anand Vilas Shabdas. Then goes morning the Krisha, dancing, Pruta, Janet, Niharika, and a lot of other things. Also Aishwarya Mataji singing along. Thank you, Hare Krishna.